Alright guys, so I just got this new shift knob. It's a Mugen shift knob. It's red on red. I'm not gonna front, it's not a real Mugen shift knob because I'm not trying to pay like $100. So first thing, to switch out this shift knob, first thing you're gonna do is make sure you have a flathead screwdriver. To remove the boot, you're gonna see these small little clips. You can see one right there. There's 4 of them, and if I rotate it, you'll see the others. What you're gonna do is stick the flathead inside there and try to get these little clips to come undone. Get one side, work your way. You can either work your way clockwise, counterclockwise, whatever, or you can just go and do the opposite side as well, but make sure that the other side doesn't pop back on when you do that. Mine just did. Alright, watch me struggle here, guys, because that's every install, no matter how basic and easy you think it is. Alright, got that down. Alright, next you're gonna get a wrench. I think it's a 14 or 15. If not, I'm just gonna use this adjustable wrench because it makes my life easier. I don't have to go look for a wrench I don't have. So on this, you're gonna see that it's nice and round, but on one part it's gonna have 2 flat surfaces right here. Now you're gonna need to break that. Shouldn't be too tight. There you go. Alright, so you're gonna go one way. The shift knob will come out counterclockwise, as it should. You're just gonna turn the wrench the opposite way. Let's see this one. Now to tighten it, you can just go ahead and tighten it from there. All right, so now you notice that the shift knob isn't as straight as it can be. So you're just gonna go ahead and turn it to what you believe is straight. Keep on turning this thread. As you go counterclockwise, it's gonna rise. If you go clockwise, it's gonna go down. All right, so once you have it at the desired position for it to be nice and straight, I hope I'm not cockeyed and got this wrong. Looks pretty straight to me. Hold on tight to it and then go counterclockwise to keep tightening the bottom portion. Don't do anything crazy. You're not trying to strip anything over here. Get off now. Come on. Come on. Get off. Why? Why are you making me look bad? Come on. Alright guys, looks like I got a little stuck here. Jeez, what did I do? Fucking hell. What the hell? Alright. Alright, let's see. That looks straight. That looks pretty straight to me, guys. And then for the boot, all you gotta do is just pull it straight up. And voila, look at that, we're done. Normally it would have taken half that time, but I couldn't get this wrench off for some reason, so yeah. Well, there you go. Got the red Mugen shift knob. Hope you guys enjoy and hope that helps.